Another night, another party, saying hi to everybody. I'm sorry, it's time to leave, I gotta leave now. Got somewhere I gotta be now. I'm starving, can somebody walk me to my car? If I go alone, I'm not gonna make it very far. I'm happy for the love and all of the above. If I'm being honest, I done been through way too much. I can't fake another smile, I can't fake like I'm alright. And I won't say I'm feeling fine. After what I've been through, I can't lie. Fuck a fake smile, smile. Fuck a fake smile, fake smile. I read the things they write about me, hear what they're saying on the TV. It's crazy, it's getting hard for them to shock me, but every now and then it's shocking. Don't blame me, I know it's the life that I chose, but